you won't pay any tax on the £25,000 because you I don't want to use a separate limited for flips, as I just want to flip once in 2 years. So should I flip by personal name? That depends, Trang, on how much profit you're going to make and how many of these deals you're going to do. So let's say if you did it as a one-off, and let's say there's two of you, husband and wife, and you do a flip as a one-off, and you buy the property for 150 grand, you spend £50,000 on refurbing it, so it's cost you 200 grand in total, and you're going to sell it for £225,000, so you're making £25,000 profit. You could do that in your own name and treat it as an investment. You could even rent it for 6 months or a year, and then you won't pay any tax on the £25,000 because you'll use your annual exemption for capital gains tax purposes. However, if you're doing a flip every 6 months, then HMRC will treat that as a trading business. Then you won't be able to use your annual exemption for capital gains tax purposes because it'll be treated as income. If you do one flip every 2 years, or if you just do two flips over 2 years, I think you'll be okay. If you do a flip every 2 years and you've done that over the last 10 years, so you've done 5 flips over 10 years, HMRC might argue that there's a particular pattern here and that is a trade in itself. Yeah, so if you do 1 or 2 over say 3 years or 2 or 3 years, you'll be okay, you should be okay. But if there's a regular pattern, then there's something called the badges of trade. So if you type in badges of trade into Google, I think there's 8 or 9 or 10 different ones. That's going to show you how HMRC determine whether a business is an investment business or a trading business, and I think I've covered that in the book too. So it's frequency of transactions, profit, motive, that type of stuff, which helps determine whether you have a trading business or investment business.